Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today in Declutter Day Wednesday is all about the accessories. And I love jewelry, and I want to be able to wear it all the time. I want to remember that I have it, and I also want to be able to see it because I want it on display because I think it's pretty. So I'm going to show you some of the ways that I organize my jewelry. On the wall behind me, you will see a lot of my jewelry, and that is how I organize and display my jewelry. The first thing I want to focus on is my necklace and bracelet storage. So what I did is I took some pieces of molding and I painted them silver, and then I pre-drilled some holes in them, and I took cup hooks and screwed the cup hooks in. And I used the molding to do this so that I only have a couple of holes in my wall to hold on the molding instead of 12 holes in my wall to hold on all the cup hooks. And then you can take your necklaces and your bracelets and you can hang them all up. The next part I want to show you is my earring storage. For my earrings, I took a piece of screening, like window screening, and I stuck it on a dowel rod and put some wood end caps on it, and then tied a ribbon as a hanger, and then I did the same thing at the bottom. And now I can just take my earrings on and off quickly and easily. It holds a ton, and they're all on display and easy to get to. The next thing I want to show you is over here. So this is a shadow box. It's kind of a fancy shadow box. You can see there I am behind the camera. It's a mirrored shadow box. But inside the shadow box, I keep brooches and pins that I don't wear all the time, and just keep them on the shelves so that they're on display so that I can see how cute and pretty they are, but I can also get to them all the time. I do have some cup hooks just straight in the wall for bracelets. These are a larger size of cup hook so that they can fit a whole lot of bracelets on at one time. I hope you enjoyed this video of jewelry organization. Please let me know in the comments if you would like further instructions on how to make the earring holder or the necklace holder, and I could do a video just on how to make them. And make sure you tune in next Wednesday to see all the next video. Make sure you watch all the others on the playlist. And if you haven't watched my other videos, go back and watch those as well. I'll have links for them in the description. And until next time, this is Michelle from Straw-Bearie Designs saying have a great day, crafting away.